So I got the plunger and spring cleaned up here. This is the diaphragm that I just pulled out of the ICC brake valve. So it's messed up, and then these two pieces here are the replacements that you get from US Coach. So these pieces of rubber replace that diaphragm. And there's the valve. Had those flathead screws in it, and it's angled back and away. Last time Dad was here, he was nice enough to take out the two easy screws to get to and left the hard ones. Luckily though, somebody has already got an access hole up there. I don't know if that's original or not, but it made it pretty easy. Use like 2.5 feet, 1/4 inch drive extensions, and somebody from the top side can run the ratchet while somebody crawls in this compartment and gets the head on there. We just sent the owner to the bus to town though. He's going to pick up some hex-headed bolts to replace those flathead screws. That'll make it a lot easier to go back together. And then we'll get it put back in. Pickup clutch feels good.
We have to pick up some duct tape tonight and tie a few things down back there, like the refrigerator door.
Hold on, because I'm going to do a brake check right here, alright? Here comes the brake check. I didn't do it totally hard.
They're like, what?
Oh, I can't find that. There it is. That was embarrassing. I was going to say, you got first and second down pretty good if you're never driving this bus before.
Yeah, that left turn would not have been a good idea. Now that we just passed it.
Did anybody happen to check the actual coolant level? I know we filled it up last week or 2 weeks ago, but maybe we should check it just to confirm that.
I peeked in, I did not see it at the top of the this thing isn't going to have an overflow reservoir, so sound out of the heater vent, which could just be.
Still no temperature readings? How's air pressure? Hold it. Hasn't moved a bit. Tyler?
Yeah?
Go throw a few boards like under each wheel. So we just saw some spray and we're trying to figure out if it was coming from the tires up off the road. And it definitely isn't. We're losing coolant. Almost had it. A little bit of glow plug in a can.